Custom milling tools, fast production, professional quality. AMG Precision Tools specializes in custom milling solutions for all machining needs. We offer tools like solid carbide end mills, T-slot cutters, wood rooters, micro drills, and complex non-standard designs, tailored to your material, machine, and tolerance. Our production is in full swing. Each cutter is ground by high-precision CNC equipment, 100% inspected before shipping, and quickly delivered globally. Whether you need custom geometry, special coating, unique flute design, or small batch samples, AMG has you covered. AMG Precision Tools, professional, reliable, and custom made for your machine.